Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so excited that we get to write today together because it's been so long since we've written together. Today, you are going to write all about what you did for Halloween. So I hope that you have your paper and you have a pencil to write with, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I have my paper turned the long way, so the long edge is across the top, and I'm going to label my paper. I'm going to give my paper a title so I can look back and remember what my picture is about. What I want you to do is to pause the video, look at the word Halloween across the top of my paper, and I want you, the best that you can, write Halloween across the top of your paper. Okay, did you pause the video and write Halloween on the top of your paper? All right, so we're going to get started with our writing, and the first thing that we do is we draw a picture, right? So let me draw a picture of Halloween, or what I did on Halloween. I'm going to start by drawing a picture of myself. That's a really big head, but that's okay. I need to get better at drawing my arms and my shirts. I had some legs. And remember, we're adding details to our picture just like we would if we were writing our story, right? I have some clown feet, friends. I have some clown feet. Still, that is okay. All right, so I'm going to draw a hand. I have 5 fingers on my hand. 3, 4, 5. I have some turkey-looking hands. That's okay. I have a thumb over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I have my feet. I have my legs. I have my hands. I had a tutu on, so I'm going to draw my tutu. And my tutu was made of little pieces of material sticking out. And when I color in, I'll color that in. My shirt was a t-shirt, so I'm going to draw a sleeve line and draw a neckline, right? And it was just solid purple. There was nothing on my shirt, so I'll just leave that like that for right now. My hair was down. My hair is hardly ever down, but my hair was down and it was straight. And then I had a headband on, so I'm going to make a little bit of a darker line. And there were ears on my headband. And then there were some flowers in the front. And there was a unicorn horn on it, because I dressed up like a unicorn. Okay, now I can't forget to give myself some eyes so I can see. Where I'm going. I have a nose and I have a mouth, and I was smiling nice and big. All right, here is my picture. Now before I start coloring, I want to write a sentence about this, okay? I went trick-or-treating on Halloween. So I am going to write the words that I know, and the words that I don't know, I'm simply just going to sound them out and write them the best that I can. I went trick-or-treating. I need to have 5 words on my paper because my sentence is 5 words long. So first I'm going to draw 5 lines. I went trick-or... Those are really small lines. Let's do bigger ones. I went trick-or-treating. Okay, there's my sentence, and I always end my sentence with a period. Okay? I know the sight word I because I learned that in school this year. I went. Ooh, I don't know went, so I'm going to sound it out, and I might even use my alphabet chart. Ooh, walrus. So it must be a W. When, ooh, narwhal, N. Went, turtle, T. I went trick. T. Oh, raccoon. Iguana. I. Kangaroo. Okay. Trick. Or. Well, I hear O because remember O has two sounds and one says its name. Raccoon, right? Or treating. There's that T again. Ooh, remember, E is one of those magical letters that has two sounds. It also says its name, and I hear E. Treat. Here's that T. I went trick or treat. I went trick or treating. I don't know. How do you say it? Do you say I went trick or treating? I went trick or treating. If it was trick or treating, I have an N. Trick or treating. G for goat, right? I went trick or treating. So friends, I have a title to my story. I have a picture, a detailed picture, remember? And I have a sentence about what I did. And I wrote my sight word down that I learned in school already this year. And the words that I didn't know how to spell, I just sounded them out. And I used my alphabet chart to remind me the letters that I needed to know. And I ended my sentence with a period. Now, all I need to do is remember to use my 5 or more colors to draw my picture. To color my picture. Okay. I'm so excited. I hope that you have fun writing all about your Halloween, and I can't wait to see your stories. Thanks, friends, for hanging out with me.